guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Naria Official TV. Today, I will be reviewing the Infinix Note 30 5G. Last few months, Infinix provided the Note 30, Note 30 Pro, and Note 30 VIP. Today, Infinix have released the Note 30 5G. So I'm going to do unboxing and review of this smartphone now. So please give me a favor, subscribe to this channel and also turn on that notification bell. Now we go.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Infinix Note 30 5G. Last few months, we witnessed the existing launch of the Infinix Note 30 itself, the Note 30 Pro and the Note 30 VIP. Today we are going to review the Infinix Note 30. Please, if you're new to my channel, give me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. First of all, let's start with the unboxing experience. The Infinix Note 30 5G came with a green box just like its siblings, the Infinix Note 30 Pro and the Infinix Note 30 VIP and Note 30 itself. This might be your first 5G phone. Here you will find the phone wrapped just like the regular Note 30. Moving to the back, you're gonna see these two camera bomb and LED flashlights. Take a look at the design. I must say the Infinix Note 30 series came with the same design. Wow, when looking at it, it feels solid when holding it. Moving to the right hand side, you see the side mounted fingerprint, which also serves as the power button, and you will see the volume rocker key. Moving to the top, you see one of the stereo speakers. Another thing that impressed me with this device is the camera. As for the camera, this device came with 108 MP main camera and 16 megapixel selfie camera that can allow you to take beautiful pictures. That is incredible. Let's see other accessories that came with this device. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell and like this video. Another thing you see is the SIM reject pin Infinix use for their entry-level phones, but this particular one is the same for Note series. My question here is, does Infinix Note 30 5G come with wireless charging? The answer is no. The Infinix Note 30 5G does not support wireless charging capability. Is the Infinix Note 30 5G made with Corning Gorilla Glass? The answer is no. So that's the reason why Infinix include the supplementary screen protector. So is the Infinix Note 30 5G worth buying? Let's find out on this video. So another thing you see is the screen protector and auxiliary cleaning kit. Does the Infinix Note 30 5G come with protective case? The answer is yes. Please, if you are enjoying this video, give me a favor by subscribing to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. We are still on the video. The next item in the box is the protective case, and it is very ugly. It's not that the protective case is not beautiful enough. That is not what I mean. The fact is that it's not flexible, does not make sense to me. So even the regular Note 30 that is cheaper has a flexible protective case. So this does not add up at all. The next item in the box is the 45 watts fast charger. It can charge fast against the 33 watts fast charger that came with the Infinix Note 30. The last set of the accessories in the box is the USB Type-C cable, which can help to charge up this smartphone, and the headphone. This is all the accessories that came with the Infinix Note 30 5G. And as for the processor, the Infinix Note 30 5G powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor. Playing games with this device, I don't see any heating issue. Everything runs pretty good smooth. I play Call of Duty and PUBG with this device up to 2 good hours. The only thing I witness is that it gets a little bit warm. And another thing is that as for the CPU, it's powered by Naria G57 CPU. To my conclusion, I might say that this Infinix Note 30 5G is worth buying. And as for the size of the display, this phone came with 6.78 inches display, And as for the battery, this phone came with 5000 mAh battery. That shows that it can last up to 2 days if you are not a heavy user. Another point is that this phone came with 120Hz refresh rate. It can pick a brightness of 580 nits. Playing game with this device, I find it being a solid gaming device. If you are a fan of a gamer, I promise you this device is not gonna disappoint you. Considering that some of those who are interested in 5G will be also interested in gaming. When playing eFootball under a highest graphics settings, it doesn't hang or frustrate the game. So that is by the way. Back to the phone. The Infinix Note 30 5G came with side-mounted fingerprint and it is very responsive. And as for the Android operating system, this phone came with Android 13 on the box. And as for the storage, this phone also came with 128GB of internal storage and 256GB of internal storage. For the RAM, this phone came with 4GB of RAM, then you can expand to another 4GB of RAM, making it 8GB of RAM. The display is also one of the aspects of the device. With average space, it has a punch hole notch for the selfie camera and a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels with 120Hz refresh rate. With the 120Hz refresh rate, it responds so fast to touch. Opening apps with this device is so fast, I don't see any delay. If I may ask, how much is the Infinix Note 30 5G? The Infinix Note 30 5G goes around 165,000 naira, which is equivalent to $230. Coming to my conclusion, is the Infinix Note 30 5G worth buying? The answer is yes. Because of what? It's because of the processor that came with this phone. The Infinix Note 30 5G came with Dimensity 6080 processor. That is a very great processor, and 108MP pixel main camera. That is incredible. But remember that the Infinix Note 30 5G doesn't come with wireless charging like the Infinix Note 30 Pro and the Infinix Note 30 VIP. Well, using the 45 watts charger to charge up the smartphone, you can't really complain.
Is the Infinix Note 30 5G worth buying? Well, I might say yes. Because of what? It's because of the Dimensity 6080 processor that the phone came with. This phone came with Dimensity 680 processor. Thanks for watching. If you appreciate the effort we made when doing this video, please kindly turn on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so that we'll be updated whenever I post a video like this. Camilo signing out. Catch you guys on the next one.